He got 24% of the vote, whilst Chiluba got 76%. So I'm telling you of where the media was very biased against the opposition. People still make a choice when they want to make a choice. I told you in 1980 we came here to vote from exile. The media was very skewed against the nationalists. There was nothing you could hear about ZANU or ZAPU. It was nothing. But they still lost. They got 3 seats, the other one got 57 seats. The other one 20. To tell you of what happened. Despite the media being anti you, when people make a decision, they make a decision with your media or without them, your media. They will make a decision. Then the other one, the technical one, I will not speak on behalf of ZBC. They are privy. There is a CEO who knows the technicalities about funding, where they are going to get the money, if they are going to broadcast live, whatever. I really don't know. But the manpower is there, the reporters are there, the producers are there, they are there. So it's up to him how he will deploy his resources. Then come to my good friend Jealous, who has labeled me no, the issue really, let's not heighten it up to that level. What I said was, people went to elections in 2013 because of a court application, which my good friend Jealous made, and dragged the MDC screaming to elections. ZANU-PF wanted elections. MDC did not like elections. So when I jokingly said, probably the MDC would love to hate you because you stampeded them screaming to elections. And they did not like it because it was painful. And you get thumped at those elections ahead. So these are the issues which I was trying just to highlight to my good friend Jealous. Not that I have a beef against him. No, I don't have a beef against him. But that's it. We finish it with a laugh, my good brother.
Thank you very much. And on that note, thank you, Ruben. Thank you for your contribution. And we'll release him for his assignment.
Yeah.
We can give him a...
God will see you. Okay, all right.